Flat pan? Wala na
Paano
dito?
makapag-prito? Wala. Tsaka itlog, mother. And flan.
Itlog, dalawa. Ano pa? Ano pa pati? Itlog,
Itlog,
tsaka...
plato,
Wala.
tsaka lutoan.
Luto at ang... Pinas ba niya?
Oo, kasi nagluto siya. Guys, hello! It's been a while! Hello! I'm going home! Hello! It's 3:30 sa mga hindi pa nakakatulog. Hello! May insomnia na rin ba kayo? Alam nyo? I'm making... Look, guys! I'm making ihaw talong. We're gonna have tortang talong for lunch. Anong ulam nyo? Hello, Paolo Havate. Hello. Tita talaga. Diba ang panset pang long life? Bakit di yan nire-reseta ng doktor? Hi, the bead. Truth. Hello, Lloyd Alamon. Happy birthday! Ilan taong ka na? Guys, what's up? What's happening? Hello, love. Hello, love. Good morning. It's lunchtime. So we're gonna have... Guys, I'll be home by Wednesday. Wednesday dyan. Hello. Pwedeng gabang gamitin... Uy, ang cute nyo, ha? Mga jokes niya, ha? Okay, guys. Pag nasa vacation kayo, tapos uuwi kayo sa bahay ninyo, anong unang-una nyong gagawin? You know what I miss? I mean, besides my family and my helpers, you know what I really miss? My bed. I miss my bed. I miss my pillows. Kasi sa Manila, ang pillows ko, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, mga 6 to 7. I have 7 pillows. And since I've been traveling, marami na yung 3 pillows. So, ngayon, I super miss just lying down on my bed. Kayo, pagka umuwi kayo from a vacation, what are you so excited about? Mommy, I think this is okay na. Or it has to be really malambot inside.
Yeah, sige, tama ko lang. Huwag lang masusunog. Sorry. Excuse me.
Alam nyo ba, guys, danood ako ng comedy show. Uy, hi, Tash! Ban ka pa rin? Grabe, no? Bakit kaya, ba't kaya ang daming nagre-report? You know what I did yesterday? Nag-Warner Brothers tour kami. And it's so interesting how they actually make movies. Alam niyo, parang pag napanood, parang pagka nag-tour ka ng ganun, may isip mo, holy kamote, ang movie, pero ano ba na isa't kalahating oras. Pero yung effort, lahat noon, parang it makes you appreciate movies more. Na huwag na tayo mag-pirate, guys. As in, magbabayad tayo ng tama, ganyang levels. Bakit maliwanag? I'm in LA. But, I'm leaving tomorrow. I'm leaving in about 36 hours. Yeah! Am I ready? That kinda. Do I want to stay home? Do I want to stay here? Kinda. But I wanna go home. Kailangan ng kumita ng pera. Guys, ang pera sa ibang bansa, labas lang ng labas. Kailangan ng may pumasok na pera. So, go to Cucina Mia PH on TikTok. CUCI Cucina Mia PH on TikTok or on IG. Order ka ng kebab sa akin, guys. I really make good kebabs. I promise. Ang dami kong kinainan na kebab place dito. Hindi siya kasing sarap ng kebabs ko. Gumawa ako ng kebabs kasi I love kebabs. I do love kebabs. Kaya lang, so, since I love kebabs, gumawa ako ng sarili kong kebab, guys. And it's so good. Promise. Ang mas masarap lang sa kebabs ko, let me tell you, this is Hosseins. Even that, my son says that mine is better. And not because he's my son, he's very critical of my cooking. Galing ng segue. Yes! Kailangan na kumita ng pera, guys. Para makabalik tayo dito, diba? Bago magbakasyon, kailangan mo na kumita ng pera. So, I'm really excited to be home, guys. I'm excited to lie down on my bed. Ano pang excited kayo pag umuwi kayo galing mahabang bakasyon? Diba? Ako, bed. Besides the family, syempre, namimiss mo yun, diba? Pahinga. Actually, feeling ko nga, tatanga muna ako ng mga 3 araw. Kakayod na lang ako mga August. Mga 1 linggo siguro ako munang tatanga. Or baka naman hindi. Baka namimiss ko na talagang magtrabaho. Excited mag-Jollibee. Ooh, actually nga, ang mahal ng Jollibee dito. Hindi ko man naisip gumastos ng ganon for Jollibee. And, Chowking. Alam niyo ba, guys, yung 4 pieces na Chowking, siomai, $5, guys. $5. Diba? But paano ka gagastos ng ganong kalaki, guys? Ooh, Giyumi, hello! How are you? Ang tagal ko na hindi nagla-live. Na-miss ko na kayo. So, there. I won't spend that much. Kasi, although, sabi ko sa mami ko, kasi malapit na ako umuwi. Nag-Jollibee kami sa Rome. Ha?
Jollibee tayo sa Rome?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We ate Jollibee in Rome.
Yeah.
But that's it, right? Yeah, that's it. KFC. KFC is very cheap. So, KFC kami. Pero yung KFC nila dito, walang kanin. So, what we would do is go to a Chinese restaurant, order plain rice, para makakain kami ng rice. Kanina dumami, viewers. Nina mo? Ko? Usually, sa umpisa lang naman eh. And then, I have to get a hook. Madaming viewers sa umpisa, they'll give you like 3 minutes of their time. Tapos mawawala. Hindi ko alam kung what makes them very interested to stay. Kasi, di ba, minsan may mga lives na parang 100 something nanonood. Tapos nagsasalita lang naman sila. So guys, hi, I think, Brian, I think Eds, are you new? Pero what made you stay? What made you interested in still continuing the live? Is it because maaraw sa labas and maaraw dito tapos kasi sa Pilipinas madilim kaya you got interested? Hi Brian, I'm in LA but going home tomorrow. Kasi diba may time difference, so I'll be there on 11 pala yung flight ko. It used to be 10:25. Now they messaged me 11. And then I arrive Manila at 4 in the morning, guys. Para kasing nagkukwento kaibigan ko. Feeling close. So, nice to meet you, Eds. Eds, parang kapangalan ka ng teacher ng kids ko, Eds. Nako, ano yung question? If I don't like to touch into politics first. We're being very nice. We're giving them a chance. Diba, guys? So, no. Ha?
Napasok ka na rin. Pinatulog mo siya. Say ito. You want to talk
Kaya nga, I want nga. Meron kang asawa of... Yes! I've been 17 years married. Diba? So, kung may problema kayo sa mga boyfriend, asawa, I think I can help. Diba? Uy, hi, Sean! Hello! kailan ako uwi? Oh my God, on Wednesday morning, I'll be there na. Ito, nagpunta ka ng Warner Brothers kahapon. Siya, nag-studio tour ako. Tapos nanood kami ng comedy, ha? Ng comedy, guys. Oh my God. Alam niyo yung comedy na pinanood namin? Si Jay Leno. Hindi gets ng Pilipino. Kami ng mommy ko, hindi namin mag-gets. Thank you, Sean. Hindi namin mag-gets ang comedy ng Amerikano. Meron lang kami portions na tawa, pero hindi. Sayang ba yung money na binayad? Hindi naman, kasi at least we got to experience comedy show in America. Ang mahal ng beer, guys. Super mahal. Mas mura talaga ang bisyo sa Pilipinas. Kaya siguro madaming nagbibisyo sa Pilipinas. Iba ba din talaga yung Maria? Uy, guys, napalitaan niyo na ba dyan sa Pilipinas na merong movie si Jokoy, Easter Sunday. It premiered here in America on August 5 and we watched it. You just got home from a beer party. Yeah, shot po no. I don't know if you get to see it. Alam mo, parang I don't know kung para siyang it had a very nice message pero parang pilit masyado. Kasi they featured the Filipino family. And can you imagine, it launched in the States here. So, hindi siya Philippine-produced, ganyan. Nakakagulat, guys. Parang, I know they're Inglesero, pero siguro yung mga actors na kinuha, hindi masyadong magaling. Parang masyadong pilit. So, yun lang ang comment ko to the Jokoy movie. But it had a very nice storyline. Paano ka po magulat? Like that. Like really? Legit? Ganon. Manood ka ng ka-tips. Magiging showing pa ba yan pag uwi ko sa Wednesday? Wait na lang sa Netflix. Actually, hindi ko siya masyadong... Hindi ko masyadong nagustuhan yung movie ni Jokoy. It's super pilit, parang it's not gonna happen in real life. And number 2, parang yun na nga. Yung mga actors, parang pilit. Kasi diba, hello, and what's the typical Filipino family? Come on, guys, you know that the typical Filipino family, everybody speaks at the same time, ganyan. So siguro ito, para maintindihan yung mga linya, isa-isa lang nagsasagutan, ganyan. Ooh, tell us more about the beaches here. You know, I love the beaches here kasi maski super mainit yung sinag ng araw, malamig sa beach nila, guys. Parang naka-aircon. So you wouldn't mind really bathing under the sun. Kasi dito sa Pilipinas, diba, pagka kunwari nagsa-sunbathing ka, punyata, ang init, pinagpapawisan ka na, ganyan. Ito, ang sarap tumambay dun sa beach. It's not as calm because the beaches that I've been to is in California. So it's not as calm as the beach like Boracay, ganyan. Kasi it's the Pacific Ocean na talaga. And the water is cold, but pag sampa mo dun sa water, pag hahon mo, hindi malamig, guys. It's not cold. First time I found Pinay on TikTok Live. Hi, Hamba! Hello! Nice to meet you. From what country are you? Tashi, bakit ka naman? Don't doubt. Give people a chance. Parang diba, why assume that people are lying right away? So, hi, Hamba. So there, I love the beaches. I love it. I love the pero alam nyo, guys, hindi pa rin ako umitim masyado. Nakatanning oil pa ako at lahat. Or maybe because I didn't sunbathe that much. I just sunbathed for like an hour every time kasi nga nag-beach hopping. Ganyan, diba? Such a cool beach. Ayan na. Okay, I'm gonna cook na. Ayan na. We're gonna make tortang talong, and you know what I bought? Guys? UFC. What's talong without UFC? Without ketchup? Diba? Oh my God. Wait. Here's the tortang talong. I mean, here's the torta, and then we'll put the talong. Okay.
Pala tayo, ano?
Pork.
Pork.
Okay, wait, mommy. I have to scramble the egg there first.
Wait, why?
There. Ay,
Why?
paano nga ba to? Wait, I have to get fork and a bowl. Hold on.
2 forks, please. Oh, for me and for you. Kasi I will do the...
You know, guys, I think I've been on a vacation long enough to say I'm excited to work. I'm excited to go back and do what I do. Hindi na ako yung, sana, uy, MJ Bebe, hello. Hindi na ako yung, sana, I have a longer time pa. I wanna go back to work. Sige ba, mami?
Mga pati.
Okay.
Help me doon.
My God, guys, ano yung pangalan? Ilang buwan ka na po ba dyan? Eds, kasi we left Manila on May 19, and then we went to Europe, and then here. Hi, Fidel. So, we've been out of the country since May 19. Kaya talagang uwing-uwi na rin. But my mom's staying here longer. So, yeah, we've been traveling since May 19. Can you imagine, guys? Paano hindi ka uwing-uwi? Paano hindi ka gusto mo nang kumita ng money? Because when you're on a vacation, lumalabas lang yung money, di ba? Wala kang source of income because, tapos, I don't know, although, I think sinusweldohan pa rin naman ako. I think, hindi ko pa na-check yung aking bank account. Mommy, I think I want one more, no? Parang bitin naman yan. You want more?
Up to pati.
Yeah,
Just
I
take
think.
me.
Ikaw, I want two. Ikaw, you want one more?
Oh. No, just one for me.
Only one for you?
Yes. Oh, one lang.
Mommy, kasi hindi ako kain ng dinner mamaya. Hindi ko type yung food. So, pero masarap yung kebab. Yes! Are you in LA?
Sige,
Yes.
akin na yan. Ito. You deserve more for them? For the, ano? For the kare-kare?
No, the kare-kare. Yeah. I bought that for us talaga. Mami, gusto mo mag-ikaw ka sa kabila. Para makapita ka dito. Ayan, pa to. Mami, ako na kasi. Okay. Guys. Oo nga. Alam nyo, yes, buy Cucina Mia PH. It's really good. guys, alam niyo, hindi ko maintindihan yung mga tao na may restaurant tapos hindi masarap yung food nila. If I just had all the money in the world, yung tipong ano sila, parang okay, may pera tayo, magbukas tayo ng restaurant. Ganun. Sana I had all the money in the world, tapos magbubukas ng restaurant, pero the food is gonna be really, really good. Eds, kasi meron ako naging friends sa TikTok. Diba, ang tagal ko nang wala. They want a meet and greet. Sabi ko, sino ba naman ako? Ano yung parang artista may meet and greet. Ganyang levels. It's funny. Diba, it's funny. Artista yun. Exactly. It's so weird. It's so weird to hear people say, mag-meet and greet ka. Diba, nakakaano? Paano kung stalker yun? Stalker levels. Paano kung my God? And some kasi have been really good friends na. Normal na tao lang, isang patro. But Eds kasi some have been friends. Like, their handles, I know them by name. Ganyan. So, kasi diba sa TikTok, I don't know, you really find good friends din naman. But it's different. Like, I won't share my Facebook thing kasi Facebook is so different. Parang, on TikTok, you can choose to show what you want to show. Diba? On Facebook, lahat, pati yung mga kamag-anak mo, pati mga lola't lolo mo nandun. So, medyo, I kind of value the privacy of my family. Me, I'm fine. But if it's just the face, it's just a face, diba? But if you put your life out there, na nakatag, yung mga pictures mo nung 19 kopong-kopong, ganyan. I feel parang kinda invasive lang yung ano. Ito, asan ba ito? Puro Marites. Tahimik Facebook ko, walang kwenta. Really? Minsan nga gusto ko, I cannot. Alam mo what I miss about Facebook? What I miss na function ng Facebook? Yung memories. Pero kanina sa ko, shit, I didn't post on Facebook my travels as much as I did on TikTok. Tas kanina, in church, naisip ko, pero yun yung hindi, di ba parang 11 years ago today, you did this. Yun ang kind of miss ko. So yeah, yun ang umiikot ang mundo ko dito. Mukha nga. No. Merong memories on Facebook, but here on TikTok, I don't think there is, diba? If you want to give, what do you want to give? Give me? Huh? If I want to give you something, is that what you mean? If I can give people peace of mind, happiness, and just the feeling of letting go of all worries in life, that's what I would give. I would want to give people a happy heart. A happy and a thankful heart. If I had that superpower. Yung puso na puno ng pasasalamat lang. At diba? Kasi, sa Miss Universe. Diba? Because, guys, for me, life is so good. Ito, Tashi, huwag ko ma-offend, ha? Na minsan, nasa banyo, Alam mo, Tash, nakikita ko yung live mo. Lagi ako nasa banyo. Hindi ako makaakyat kasi nagje-jebs ako. Sabi mo, ano yun, I think, sabi mo, wala kasing tinapay dito sa bahay kaya ito na lang, pinagtitiisan ko na lang. Pagtsatsagaan ko na lang. I wanted to tell you, kailangan na sa banyo ako nagje-jebs. I wanted to tell you, pwede mong i-shift yung pananaw mo sa buhay by saying this. Ooh, we have crackers. Let's try to enjoy this. Or, uy, may crackers. Diba? Parang if you shift from... wala kasing tinapay kaya ito na lang. If you shift to, diba? Parang that little change in perspective, that little konting tweak. Kailan ko sinabi, kumakain ka ng, I don't know what you were eating, sandali lang ako sumilip kasi 3:00 na naman ng umaga yun. So, yun lang, a little change in perspective can really make a big difference with your outlook in life. Alam nyo, kanina sabi nga nung pare, parang, ako kasi, si Miss Thank You, sometimes, everything that happens in my life, I say thank you. I don't go to mass that much. Not every Sunday. Dito lang sa Amerika kasi may tita kaming nagsisimba linggo-linggo. But, guys, everything, like, oh my God, thank you Lord for the torta. Pagdating namin sa bahay, thank you Lord for the safe trip back home. Everything. It's a constant communication with God. It's a constant acknowledgement of how beautiful your life is. How thankful you can be. Kasi alam nyo guys, pagka ganun yung pananaw natin sa buhay, hindi mo napapansin ang lahat ng wala ka, ng kakulangan. It will just transform your life into just being thankful for what you have. Kasi diba guys, aminin natin, ang dali-daling ma-inget. Diba? Like, may get ito guys, may kwento ko. May tito ko. I won't name names. May tito ko. Ang cute. Kamatayan ng lola ko, death anniversary ng lola ko. So, nandun kami sa Mosileo, ganyan. Tapos, may dog sila. Aso, pero golden retriever. Beautiful dog. Guys, so, late ako dumating Late ako kasi sa probinsya pa yun. Late ako doon. Guys, masarap yun, mommy. Guys, nung dumating ako, uuwi na sila. Nauna silang umuwi sa akin. Guys, alam nyo ba, yung aso, sumakay sa Range Rover. May sariling driver at may sariling yaya. Yung aso. Iba pa yung sasakyan ng mga tito ko, ng mga pinsan ko. They had 3 cars. One for the tito, one for the tita, and one for the dog. And Range Rover. Na alam mo kami lahat parang, tapos yung kotse natin, ganito. Di ba ang lakas Lord?
Wala, I cannot.
Teka lang, hindi naman natin. Para mahugas. Diba? Ang lakas Lord naman. Lord! But, pag-iisipin mo,
hindi ka na magalawag sa amin.
diba? Pero, kung iisipin mo, naman din, if you count your blessings, diba, may isip mo rin na, oh my God, okay Lord, thank you kasi I'm still blessed, diba? Actually, my son nga, sabi, exactly, diba, Eds? Pero my son said, mommy, I think, kasi ang sabi ko, what helps me in life to be grateful, to always say I'm blessed, is the fact na I always look at the people who have lesser than me. My son kasi sabi niya, mommy naman, hindi ganyan yan. But it helps me. Diba? Kunwari, gusto kong magreklamo na, oh my God, ang init. Iisipin mo na, mas maraming naiinitan sa akin, mas maraming walang roof over their heads, mas iisipin mo yung mga tao na nakatira sa kalsada. And then you stop. It stops you from complaining about your life. Diba? It makes you just really thankful for what you have. Oh, Luigi, are you here? I'm so sorry about your loss. I'm still in the States. I can't, hindi ako makabisita. Condolence, Luigi. Love sa inyong lahat. Sige, magbabackread tayo. Alam nyo, guys, Eds, you know, when I'm doing my live, and kasi nga, it's usually just monologue, wala akong guests, hindi ako nagbabasa ng mga masyadong ganyan. So, basahin natin. Magbabackread tayo ng very slight. Papunta na tayo sa podcast. Uy, Pastor Bobby, hello! At the end of the day, thankful dapat naman. Yes. So there. Be thankful. English, yeah. It's so easy kasi to compare our lives with others. Diba? It's so easy to think na mas maganda ang buhay ng iba. But, we should see what's really good with our lives. Diba? Uy, bakit may mga gaya away-away? Nagkikwentuhan nga nun tayo, guys. Wala nang barahan na ganyan. Pagbalik ko na lang. Relax, guys. Alam nyo guys, ang TikTok, I mean, you know, when you're live, dapat respetuhin nyo yung nagla-live. You have to make it a safe space for the person who does the live. Diba? If you don't agree with what they're saying, you can scroll up and then move on. Diba? Hanap ka ng medyo ka wavelength. Yung sasang-ayon ka dun sa sinasabi, diba? Oh guys, oh my god, wait, look, may nag-message si Amazon. The Amazon delivery is 10 stops away. I have to TikTok Amazon delivering to the house. Kasi yun ang hindi ko pa nagagawa. Tagal ko na dito sa dami ng deliveries ko. Hindi ko pa siya napipicture na hi, thank you, ganyan. So, I'm gonna go down and I'm going to do a TikTok with the Amazon delivery guy. Okay? Eds, nice to meet you. Bye! See you soon, guys. See you in Manila. Ay! Nako, Eds. Dahil malapit na ako nag-order na ako sa Shopee para pagdating ko, nandun na yung kailangan ko. Bye, guys!